Ekwensu. In Yoruba language, he is known as Eshu. Ekwensu, which the Yoruba calls Eshu, is not the devil. Ekwensu is called obala in Afa language. Ekwensu is Eze Agwu. He is the greatest warrior in Igbo pantian. Ekwensu is the god of war, bargain, and smith making. Ekwensu is a powerful spirit that was branded evil by our colonizers. He is not the devil like the religion people branded him. Our evil colonizers in the ocha brainwashed Ndi Igbos to use their mouth to cause the liberating spirit that dwells within them, which is Ekwensu. Ndi Igbo, brainwashed by Ndi Ocha, ripped Ekwensu of his status as Igbo savior. Ever since then, Ndi Igbo has never regained consciousness. Please share and pass this information around. Using the word Ekwensu as a form of evil or blaming your evil actions on Ekwensu is causing yourself big problem. It is not to be toyed with. I advise to stop using the word Ekwensu as a form of evil. I still remain digital PRIEST AKAJIUGO. I come for restoration of ODINANI, African spirituality. Thank you.